Happy Monday. The sun is shining a lot. It's hot everywhere. Birds are singing. Rates are looking like they're coming down later this year. Inventory is getting better. Seems like spring, not the middle of July. Still, I'm glad to see things are finally coming together. A quick talking point to make you sound smart when you're talking with homeowners on the subject of interest rates. A lot of people think the Federal Reserve, aka the Fed, controls mortgage rates. They hear the Fed's dropping rates and assume that mortgage rates are going to drop. This is kind of true. To sound like an Insta expert, you can tell them what I tell my clients. The Federal Reserve, aka the Fed, is not a government agency and does not control mortgage rates. What? And that's a whole other video. The Federal Reserve sets the prime interest rate. Now, the prime rate is just a fancy way to say this is what one bank loans another bank money overnight. Now, while the Federal Reserve does not set mortgage rates, that's actually done by the open market for buying and selling of mortgage-backed securities. That's who sets the rates, and it changes minute by minute when the market's open. Now, at this point, people are totally confused. So I tell them, think of it this way. The prime rate is like the tide in the bay, and the boats in the bay are the different types of loans that we have. Mortgage rates, car loans, student loans, credit cards, anything that's rate sensitive. Now, when the tide goes out, meaning the Federal Reserve lowers the prime interest rate, all the boats follow and the rates usually lower. It's not a perfect analogy because sometimes there's a lag in rates like with credit cards, and sometimes the mortgage market starts to lower rates just on a rumor of the Fed's lowering rates. But it works well enough to get your point across. So the Fed is talking about lowering rates 0.25% before the end of the year and 3 to 4 times next year. This means the tide's going out in the next 18 months, rates will get lower, and more buyers are going to be coming into the market. All good news, finally. If you have anyone that needs to get qualified, let me know. As you know, we're expert in getting people qualified quickly. Have a great week.